Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. I am Rifat Mahmood, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Today I will give a presentation about duties and responsibilities of power distribution organizations in Bangladesh. It is an image of electrical industry. First, we will discuss about present structure of power sector. Apex institution is a part of power sector. Regulator, generation, transmission, distribution. Apex institutions have many other parts. These are Power Division, Minister of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources. Regulator, Bangladesh Energy Regulatory Commission. Generation have four parts: Bangladesh Power Development Board, Ashuganj Power Station Company Ltd, Electricity Generation Company of Bangladesh, Independent Power Producer. Transmission, Power Grid Company of Bangladesh Ltd. Distribution have four parts: Bangladesh Power Development Board, Dhaka Power Distribution Company, Dhaka Electric Supply Company Ltd, West Zone Power Distribution Company. It is a present structure of power sector. Ministry of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources, divided in three parts: Energy and Mineral Resources Division, BERC, Power Division. Power Division divided in many parts. Power Cell is one of them. CEI, Bangladesh Power Development Board, BPDB, REB, DPDC, DESCO and many others. It is Bangladesh Power Development Board management. First, all the decisions come from chairman, then secretary and many other employees. Member administration, member finance, member generation, member planning and development, member distribution, member company affairs. Demand supply situation. It is a most important duty of Bangladesh Power Development Organization to supply power according the demand of situation. Generation 5000 to 5300 megawatt. Highest so far 5244 megawatt. Peak demand 6000 megawatt with DSM. It means demand side management. Load shedding up to 800 megawatt during hot summer days. It means when the demand of power is above 800 megawatt, then the load shedding is occurred. Shortage and unreliable power supply has constrained economic growth. Function of Bangladesh Power Development Board. There are many functions in Bangladesh Power Development Board. These are generates power, prepare least cost generation and expansion plan, conduct procurement process for private power, sell, distributor, purchase electricity from generators, and many others. Power System Master Plan up to 230. It is some future plan for Bangladesh Power Distribution Organization. It could be materialized in future. These are study completion February 2011, generation capacity requirement by 2021 24,000 megawatt. Coal and nuclear for base load power requirement, cross-border trade with neighboring countries. How electricity is produced and distributed? It is a very important question. Electricity is made at a generation station by huge generators. The electrical charge goes through high voltage transmission lines that stretch across the country. It reaches a substation where the voltage is lower so it can be sent on small power lines. It travels through. Now, there are many challenges for Bangladesh Power Distribution Organization. It can be materialized in next generation. Primary fuel supply, project financing, transportation of fuel and equipment, human resource development. Primary fuel supply have some parts: enhance gas exploration production, domestic coal development, safe nuclear technology. Project financing divided in ensuring financing for public and private sector projects, availability of foreign currency, transportation of fuel equipment, infrastructure development by railway and R&D, human resource development, development of skilled manpower, adopt and operate new technology. These are some pictures of power plant. It is Boropukuria coal-fired power plant. And next it is Siddhirganj terminal power plant. It is Kaptai hydro power plant. It is Kutubdia wind park, and last it is east-west interconnector. Thank you.